Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to upload a video from your PC to your TikTok account. It is very easy and simple, but I'll be showing you how to do it in this video. Go to this three line here. You click on the three line, you'll see this discovering. Click on the discovering. Then here you will see the uploading sign. Here you will see upload video. Make sure you already log into your TikTok account. Then here you click on the upload video. Then it will bring you to this page where you will select the video that you want to upload. Then you select the video that you want to upload. Here you put your tags. So after selecting your tags, then you hit post. Immediately it will post into your TikTok account. I hope this video did help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like.